Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will have a look at the Decentraland's marketplace. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos. And now let's just jump into our video. As you know, Decentraland is one of the biggest Metaverse projects, and we actually have a video which we had a quick tour in the Metaverse. You can check that video out from the cards. And today we will have a look at the Decentraland marketplace, which you can buy nearly anything for your avatar. So on the main page we can see the newest items. When you click on View All, you can see nearly everything for your avatar. A poster boy hat, sweatshirts, t-shirts, sunglasses, shades, shoes, and so many more. As I said, you can buy nearly anything for your avatar. You can also use these filters to find out the cheapest items, recently listed items, recently sold items, newest items, and by name. You can also search collections. For example, let's have a look at the Royal Family suit. As you can see, it's on sale for 5 mana, which is the native currency of Decentraland Metaverse. And 1 mana is equal to $0.76, which is 76 cents at the moment. So when we scroll down on the main page, we can also see the latest sales for different prices. So for example, you can see this item was sold for 1000 mana, which is equal to $770. You can see the latest listings, all of these items for your avatar, but there are also parcels and estates. You can see there are items on sale, and these are the coordinates of the parcel and the estate that are on sale. For example, this parcel is on sale for 250,000 mana. And this guy is selling his 2x2 parcel for 27,000 mana, and it's called the cheapest 2x2. We can see the fashion street. There are different street names and there are different place names. As I said, you can check out our Decentraland video if you want to know how the Metaverse looks like. And you can actually learn how to create your own account and dive into the Metaverse. And lastly, there are also names on sale which you can buy for your avatar. So as you've realized, you pay with mana to buy all of these stuff. Now let's have a look and learn how to transfer mana to your wallet and buy these items. So Decentraland is based on Ethereum, so we will use an Ethereum wallet, which is MetaMask. When you open your MetaMask, you can see your balance, and in order to buy these items, we have to transfer mana to our wallet. But first, we have to add mana to our MetaMask wallet. And now let's head over to CoinMarketCap to add mana to our MetaMask wallet. So we opened CoinMarketCap, and when you click on this little fox button, as you can see it says add to MetaMask, and click on add token. When you open your MetaMask extension again, you can see that mana has been added to your wallet. Now, by copying this wallet address and pasting on the receiver's address on the exchange that you want to send mana from, you can send mana to your MetaMask wallet, and then you can buy anything you want on Decentraland's marketplace. When you click on this icon right here and click on accounts, you can see your account's details, your balance, Ethereum mana, and Polygon mana. Now, there are two different things. The currency that you're using is same, which is mana. But this one is based on Ethereum network, and this one is based on Polygon network. Ethereum might be faster, but it's a bit expensive. Polygon might take a while to transfer, but it's cheaper. So it's totally up to you to decide on which network you're gonna use. And I actually want to show a fun feature. When you click on get a name, as you can see here, you can claim a unique name for 100 mana, which used to be worth of $700 back in its day, but now it's only $70. You can claim your unique name, and actually after it, if you decide to sell and your name is really unique, you can sell it for really good profits. So that was a quick look to the Decentraland's marketplace. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos and important news. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page. We share very motivational quotes, important informations, and breaking news about the crypto world and business world in general. So with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.